When they see a beautiful woman, oh, they become, I must hit her. Oh, I want her. Oh, now you are like an you are like an animal on hit. Yo, what's up my inspired alphas? Welcome back to another video. And today we are talking about 4 things that make eye contact so powerful. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let's jump into the video. Number 1, confidence. Eye contact is the number 1 sure bet way of signaling confidence. Guys, not many people can hold eye contact for more than 2 seconds. This is because everyone has their own insecurities. And the more you improve yourself, the more you work on your insecurities, the more you are able to look people in the eyes, because when they look at you, they won't be able to see the insecurities. People are afraid of holding eye contact because eyes are the windows to the soul. Yes, the eyes are the window to the soul. So if you have a lot of baggage and insecurities, you are afraid that people will see through you. And let me tell you guys, when you are able to hold eye contact, oh my God, you have so much power. You have so much power. Because this is a trait of high value guys. People who have gone through fire, people who have made themselves, they feel entitled, they feel they have earned the right to look at people in the eye. Just when you are in a social gathering, just go and look at how the high value guys behave. They look around. They are not afraid to look around because they know people react to them. When they look at people, people just react to them because they can see how much they have developed themselves. They can see how much confidence they have in themselves. And people want to be like them. People imitate them. So, if you're able to hold eye contact with anyone, a guy or a lady, for more than 2 seconds, my G, congratulations. You're on your way to your success. It's that simple. If you see you are starting to look at people in the eye without feeling uncomfortable, my G, know you are on the right path. That is confidence, and women are drawn to men with confidence. Guys, if you can be able to hold eye contact with a woman until she breaks it, she knows automatically this is not a guy to mess with. This is someone who is on his purpose. This is someone I should respect. This is someone who can do to me things that I have never seen in this world. Yeah, that is the power of eye contact. Number 2, eye contact signals status. Just for a second, imagine a king and a servant. Who of those two do you think is going to be able to hold eye contact without feeling uncomfortable? Of course it's the king, because the king has more power. The king has more status. The king feels entitled because he has reached a level that is above other people. And you signal to other people you are high value. You signal to people that you are a top dog when you're able to hold eye contact with men and women. When you're able to hold eye contact with men, you are signaling to them, I am not afraid. I have seen this kind of situation and I know how to handle it. So, if you try, just know that you are taking a risk. You are taking a risk. If you hold eye contact with a woman, she's going to automatically assume you are somebody important. I am telling you, this is only eye contact, but it has a lot of power, the way people perceive you. Guys, And this is something you can practice. This is something you can practice. You can call your friends, and you know, when you're talking to them, make sure you're maintaining eye contact for practice. I know most of you guys, you're not in this journey alone. So if you have a partner, you are, you know, who is holding you accountable, you can practice with him. Make sure you are able to hold eye contact for more than 5 seconds. When you are talking, you hold eye contact. When you're talking to a person, you hold eye contact. When you are talking, it is going to feel so much important because of the way, you know, the other person perceives you. He or she perceives you as high value, someone who is important, someone that deserves respect. Number 3, guys, attraction. Eye contact sparks attraction. The number one thing when you are looking for a woman who is interested in you, you are looking for her to give you eye contact. But most of you, when a woman gives you eye contact and you're like, come on, that is childish behavior. You are a man. You hold eye contact with a woman until she breaks it. You are setting the tone. You are telling her, I am in charge. I control myself. I am in control of my life. And if you want to be part of it, you must be submissive to me. And women love men who hold eye contact. Guys, I am telling you, you are going to leave a signature on a woman when you are able to hold eye contact. When you are able to look deep into her soul. You see all her insecurities. You see the woman as a human being, not as an object. Guys, I am telling you, women respect guys and are attracted to guys who look at them and see the real women. You know, most guys out here are operating with a dickhead. They are not thinking straight. When they see a beautiful woman, oh, they become, I must hit her. Oh, I want her. Oh, now you are like you are like an animal on hit. But when you are able to look at a woman and see her for who she is, not many guys can see this. Not many guys can do this. And women are drawn and intoxicated with this guy because she'll be thinking, when you're not with her, she'll be thinking, oh my God, this guy, the way he looks at me, he makes me feel like I'm the only person in the world. Guys, I am telling you, when you learn, this is so easy. When you learn to hold eye contact with a woman, you'll be attracting women without saying a word. You know, you'll be looking at her, and if you're doing all other things right, improving yourself, you know, you have looks maxed, you are on your purpose, everything you are doing, you're holding a masculine frame. Just eye contact will get you laid. Just eye contact. You look at a woman and she knows exactly what it is you want. It's that easy. I'm telling you, I was in the gym the other day and this is a funny story. I looked at this lady for, I think it was about 6 seconds. It was intense eye contact and I never said a word. And she followed me when I got out. And you know, business meetings as usual, but I am telling you guys, eye contact is very powerful. Last but not the least, number 4. Guys, eye contact makes people respect you. Yeah, people respect you because you can be able to hold eye contact. I want you to do an experiment. When you are going to run an errand, just observe the way people walk. You will notice 90% of the people walk looking down because they don't want to look people in the eye. They don't want people to look inside them and see them for who they are. Guys, if you can be able to hold eye contact with anyone, automatically they will respect you. they will put you in a category of, wow, this guy, he has no problems. When you're able to hold eye contact, people think that you live a perfect life. People think that you have already made it. You have already made yourself the man that you want to become. That is just by holding eye contact. And remember, the one who breaks eye contact first loses. This is like a game. When let's use attraction for example. When you are holding eye contact with a woman for the first time and you look away, you look away, you are the first to look away, you're going to come off as shy, and she's going to put you in the category of he's not very sure of himself. When you hold eye contact with a man, you're going to intimidate him, because eye contact for men is intimidation. So if you break eye contact, you become submissive. You're telling him, oh, I don't mean no harm. But if you're confident in yourself, if 100% you know, I can beat the hell out of this guy, why the hell will you be afraid of holding eye contact? Even if you can't, you know that I am able to protect myself. Then there is no way someone is going to risk, going head to head with someone who holds eye contact. Because even look at UFC champions, the way they intimidate each other by eye contact. Imagine, eye contact is that powerful. So guys, make sure that you practice maintaining eye contact. It's better you become the creep who stares at people in the eye than the shy guy who cannot hold eye contact. Because when you are able to hold eye contact, even if you are a creep, the more you practice, the more you will understand when to avert your gaze, when to hold eye contact, when to break it, how to break it, but never break eye contact looking down. That is submissive. That is being submissive. Look sideways. Never down, never down. So guys, I hope you got something from today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Peace out.